my name is Jenna Boesiger, and welcome to my art studio. On this episode, I'm going to continue on with this painting. If you'll remember, I started it a while ago, and it's time to finish it. I gave a list of the steps that I do to my method to oil painting, and I left out a step, an important step. At this point, I would have told you just start embellishing, and it's just there's one step in between that, and that's painting. But we're going to do a very minimal job painting and kind of stick to the kind of background gradient painting, keeping it thin, and then do a lot of the drawing with embellishing. So we're going to stick to those colors that I used, that I told you that I used before, and I'll go over them one more time. And I'm going to use Cad Red Deep, Raw Umber, Magenta, Dioxazine Violet, Cerulean Blue, Ultramarine Blue. So yeah, I'm going to go from dark to light. Eventually, you just got to jump in and do it. Try not to overwork it, and try not to get lost in details. And then at some point, you just have to go for it. Thank you for joining me on this episode in my art studio, where I'm continuing to work on this little painting. And next episode, I plan to finish this painting when I embellish it. So thank you for watching this episode, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. I do appreciate the support as I am a new channel starting out. And don't forget to like the video. I appreciate it very much. And until next time, bye.